Hello and welcome to MZ Academy. I'm Moiz here and today we have Zahra with us.
Hey guys!
And today we're going to be learning about the rock cycle.
What is the rock cycle?
The rock cycle is a geological process that consists of the transitions between the three major types of rocks: sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks.
Oh, is there anything cool about the rock cycle?
Yes, there is. So, do you see these red and green paths?
Uh-huh.
They just show that the rock cycle can be, they just show that it doesn't have to follow one order. So it can be like sedimentary to igneous, and igneous to metamorphic, metamorphic to sedimentary.
Or sedimentary to metamorphic, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it can all mix up.
How are all the rocks formed?
Okay, so starting with sedimentary rocks, the igneous rocks are exposed and they erode away. And this is one example. I'm following the red path. So they erode away and collect at the bottom of a lake. And then compactation and cementation occurs. And over time, pressure fuses the sediments together to form sedimentary rocks. And sedimentary rocks are like, you can see the layers in them. They're like clumps and they're very distinguishable. Okay, next is metamorphic rocks. So the sedimentary rock sits deep in the earth, and over time, heat and pressure, those are the key words, heat and pressure build up, which causes the metamorphic rock, or which causes the sedimentary rocks to fuse together even more and form metamorphic rocks. And for the metamorphic rock, you can still see very little of the things that you saw in the sedimentary rocks, and they're more even throughout. Okay, next we have metamorphic to igneous rocks. The metamorphic rock is still deep underground and is continuing to get more and more heat and pressure, and then it melts into magma, and magma is just lava that hasn't risen out of the ground yet. And then once it forms magma, it has to cool somehow to form an igneous rock, and it depends on where it cools. So if it cools underground, it's an intrusive igneous rock, and if it cools above the ground, it is an extrusive igneous rock.
Okay, so what is this green path here?
So the green path shows the other way, like I said before.
Mm-hmm.
So the sedimentary rock, we're going from sedimentary to igneous. So the sedimentary rock buried deep underground, and it gets heat and pressure, like extreme, and it melts into magma again without going through this. And then the magma cools and becomes an igneous rock. Again, it depends where it cools. And then the next part is from igneous to metamorphic, and for that to happen, an igneous rock is buried deep underground, so this is an intrusive igneous rock, and more heat and pressure build up around the rock, and the continued heat and pressure causes it to change into a metamorphic rock. From a metamorphic rock to a sedimentary rock, you have to have an exposed metamorphic rock that erodes and washes away, and once again settles at the bottom of a lake or an ocean or any body of water. This is one example. And over time, pressure causes the sediments to fuse together into a sedimentary rock. Compactation and cementation. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Bye!
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.